Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator, and today we're going to use the Hang and Ornament bundle. These are the stamps, and then these are the coordinating dies, focusing on this one that actually makes an ornament that you can do. So I'll show you the two that I did. I used both of these two. White embossing here, that's the first one, and then here's the second one. Hopefully you can see that embossing. Let's get started. So this is what you're going to need: a card base 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4, 10-inch piece of ribbon, 6-inch long of twine, a 3 by 3 piece to die cut the ornament, and you can see the 3 spots that it hangs onto. Piece of cardstock 3 3/8 by 4 5/8, and 2 pieces of DSP coordinating. DSP, I thought these were coordinating, and then cut at 1 3/4 and 2 3/4, and then all I did was switch over that and that, and that's what makes the pattern paper. So let's get started. We'll start with the card base. We'll go ahead and fold along the score line, use a bone folder there. I'm going to take my cardstock, and we're just going to do one, and you can just rinse and repeat on the other one. So here's the Stampin'. See, I'll put a T here just to remind myself how to put it on. We'll do some adhesive here, and it's a very slight frame for the DSP. And you can do different ways. You can separate it kind of to make it look like a window. I like to put it together so it looks like a kind of a puzzle. I'm going to scoot that up a little bit. And last piece. And then this will go on the card. That's my around the clock technique for my adhesives. Center it there. I'm going to put this one away for the next card. And then you can see how this is all ready. I'm going to use the embossing powder just to make sure nothing else sticks besides what we're going to stamp in Versamark. So Versamark is our slow drying sticky ink. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp this. See that there? Bring in the powder. And we'll get to emboss. That's my favorite part. Isn't that lovely? Then we'll go ahead and use the take your pick tool. Get that little piece out. Gotta lock that in. Take that twine and put it through the hole. And I do it this way so they can actually pull off the ornament if they wish. Do a quick knot. And then dimensionals. And the last bit is adding the ribbon. So real quick, tie it around, bring the front, and that way you can just do a real quick bow, and that's it. When it's ready, they can actually remove this and it'll be an ornament that they can hang on their tree. Isn't that lovely? Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you want to continue receiving these video tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment and share. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.